Welcome to Space-Saving Ideas for Small Gardens. Think you don't have enough space to create a garden? Think again. With a few smart strategies, even the smallest outdoor area can become a lush, green oasis. Start by going vertical. Use hanging planters, wall-mounted pots, or trellises to grow herbs, flowers, or climbing plants without taking up floor space. For flexibility, container gardening is another great option. Use stackable or movable pots to grow multiple plants and easily rearrange them for sunlight. Multi-purpose furniture, like benches with built-in planters or foldable tables with storage, adds functionality without cluttering your garden. You can also layer plants by placing taller ones at the back and shorter ones in front to create depth and organization. Shelves along walls or balconies are perfect for displaying smaller pots or trailing plants, while mirrors strategically placed outdoors can reflect greenery, making your space feel larger. With these creative ideas, your small garden can have big impact. Happy gardening!